I don't know. I was gonna make a coffee and the cappuccino machine started shaking. And just as I hit the deck, it exploded.
You could have been killed.
I know! Oh, okay. Very funny. Yes, you got me.
Ooh, I'm Castle. I don't believe in curses.
What, did you get bomb disposal to rig something up?
Yeah, it was all flash and no damage.
And the chair?
I just pulled a couple of screws and let gravity do the rest. Night, Castle.
I'm not cleaning this up. Better clean this up.
All the action.
He's the most naturally gifted deep cover operative we've got.
Adventure.
Our mission now is simple: to stay alive until we find that cure.
Mystery.
You killed her. I'm gonna eviscerate your case.
And drama.
I can't watch.
Really? Because I can't look away.
Is on TNT.
Boom. 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 Boom.